Welcome to my channel. My name is Paige, and today you're going to be doing a cook and clean with me. If you've never seen my face before, please consider subscribing before you leave, and if you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. So I haven't too long got up. This is kind of an early cook and clean, but I want to make sure that our supper is ready because I'm actually going to be doing a crock pot meal, and I know a lot of you are always interested in stuff that I'm cooking, especially like these really simple throw together kind of crock pot meals. So while I'm getting my coffee made this morning, I'm gonna go ahead and get this all prepped so we can put it on and it can be cooking for like 5-ish hours. For tonight's supper, we will be having this hash brown something or other. What is it called? Slow cooker hamburger hash. I know you can't see that, it's a little bright. Most of my recipes that I find are like on Pinterest, or my mama passed them down, or I kind of like make them up as I go, or I see them on TV, whatever. I got so many different ones. But we're going to brown this in the skillet first with a small onion. I will have this recipe linked down below. You can use like the normal size russet potatoes, but I kind of wanted to use the smaller ones. I didn't think they would take as long, and I hate cutting up potatoes, so I'm probably just going to half some of these, leave some of them whole maybe. You could probably even use like the cubed potatoes in the frozen food section. I might be wrong, I don't know. You could definitely try that out because I've made a potato soup before with like the diced up potatoes, and it was super easy. I want to say that I've shared it on my channel. If I have, I'll try to link that down below. But you'll need cream of mushroom, corn, onions, this, and also some cheese, which I'll wait to take out when I get ready to use it. But it's pretty simple.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts. Is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years.
Why did I think it was a good idea to buy a block of cheese and try to shred it myself? This is going to take me all day. Does this look like a cup of cheese? Right here? Yeah, maybe. Maybe not too much. So maybe I'll just cut this into chunks. It doesn't necessarily say that I can't use. Yes, it does. Oh well. This is not working. I don't have any bagged shredded cheese. I would recommend shredded cheese. Maybe if you had a better thing than I did. Trial and error.
Caught up in the flashing lights, keeps a day it in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can go on again.
I got sick of shredding cheese, so I just put some blocks in there. Hopefully it equals up to about a cup of cheese. You will add the other cup later, so that should be interesting. I'm going to give this a good stir. We're going to put the lid on and cook it for 5.5 hours. And it says to cook it for 5 hours. Do not take the lid off at all. So I guess the steam is what cooks it. And then I guess you put the cheese, the extra cup of cheese that you put in, and then cook it another 30 minutes to make sure it's all melted together. So we will see what this turns out.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar. Like I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. You, I could never let you go. I'm not so sure you believe me, but if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad mad woman, calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman, calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't tell me how you feel, so quietly next to me. The silence souvenir, letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Guess we're pioneers, roaming in the atmosphere. I hate when you're not near, drifting away, drifting away. Keep missing you the days that you don't see me, like searching for a heart inside of my sheet. Sitting here forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we I let you go, I wanna know if I walk away, do you wanna get close? Do you wanna get close? Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh no. I don't really care if you don't mind, don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night.
So it has been 5 hours and 10 minutes. So you do the cheese for 10. I don't know why I was thinking 30. Remember, pregnancy brain over here. But look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful? Obviously, if you had shredded cheese, unlike I did, because I don't know what I was thinking, you would have it more evenly spread across the top. But we're going to give it a try, see what we think. And I'll definitely let you guys know if this is a good crock pot meal or not. What'd you think about the food?
Very good.
Very good. Highly, highly recommend that crock pot recipe. I might would double up the salt and pepper though.
I don't know. I hit a spot in mine that I didn't need it.
That's because you added it on there.
I know, but I wonder if you didn't stir it.
I did stir it.
Good? I wouldn't double it until you taste it.
I would
You
still.
can always add it in later.
Or that. I would, because it calls for 1/4 of a teaspoon, I would add 1/2 of a teaspoon.
Baby.
Which is still 1/2 of a teaspoon. It's still very small. So I will go for the 1/2 of a teaspoon.
Pushing the past again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. It never was like this before. We've been wearing out our loving like a pair of favorite jeans. Was getting harder to ignore. Kept on stitching up the patches. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we